Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll do the annual benchmark test on the iQOO 7 device after using close to 50 days of usage and after receiving 3 software updates. Yes friends, from the beginning to till now I did receive 3 software updates in this phone, and let's see the annual benchmark score. How much can it be increased? I'll try to compare with the day 1 score as well. So this is a day 1 annual benchmark score which I've taken the screenshot without installing any kind of application. This is a score which I got close to 7 lakhs of score, as you can see. Let's see on the day 50 how much score we can actually get it. So my main focus will be there on the CPU and the GPU scores, not on the memory, because I did fill my iQOO 7 device close to 93%. Yes, I did install close to 150 plus applications, and the storage is, as you can see right now, it filled up to 120 GB is filled. So obviously I cannot expect the memory to be higher and overall score to be higher, but I'll try to focus on the CPU and the GPU. Let's see after this multiple updates whether the score got decreased or not. Only CPU and GPU I'm trying to mention again and again, and right now the RAM used is only 2 GB, and I did use the external RAM capabilities. So out of 11 GB, 2 GB is used. So rest I got about 9 GB is completely free for the phone to do the annual benchmark test. Let me try to clear all the background applications. Everything is cleared, as you can see. Let me try to open the annual benchmark test. And I'm trying to use the 120Hz refresh rate during this time of demonstration. Let me try to even show you the result of 120. As you can see, 120Hz I'm trying to use, and is the Android benchmark test. Let me try to start the test, and the 50% brightness perfect. And right now let me try to start the test. So don't worry about the battery percentage, friends. So that's nothing to do with the iQOO 7 device at all, because even when the battery percentage is close to 5%, the phone got score up to 7 lakhs annual benchmark test. So then I understood that battery doesn't make any kind of difference in the iQOO 7 phone particularly. And right now the temperature is about 34 degrees I'm getting. As you can see, my room temperature is 31 degrees. As you can see friends, 34 on the back side as well. So right now the 34 degrees is the current temperature. Let's see friends, so whether the CPU and the GPU scores will be changed or not. So this is a question which was asked by a couple of subscribers as well. They are saying that their annual benchmark score is decreased. So I'm saying again and again, you are seeing that kind of change only because you are filling the internal storage. So try to observe only the CPU and the GPU scores. Don't see the memory score. So if you try to see the overall score and memory score, then definitely it will be decreasing. Observe the CPU and the GPU. Let's see. So in my testing, in my unit, we will get to know the results, because you do know I did use my phone as a extreme level. So highest level I did use with a lot of gaming, installing a lot of storage fill, in-depth, intense kind of testing. So there is no words to describe as well with my usage. The only reason is because this phone was able to sustain that much kind of highest limits of pressure from me. Yes, that is the reason I just want to push its limits. With opening 50 applications as well, still the phone was able to open 46 applications. So make sure to check that video which I uploaded, friends. That's fantastic in the performance. So I'm trying to talk only in the performance segment. If you remember, only in the performance. I'm not talking in any other segment, only in the performance. I'm not saying any good things about the camera or any display or anything, only in the performance I'm trying to say. So because you may think that I'm a big fan of iQOO phones, I am in the favor of iQOO phones. There's nothing to do with that. I'm in the favor of the phone which has really good performance. That is what I can give the statement right now. So because no company gives me this phone, no company pays me anything for my videos, friends. So these are all the videos I'm uploading for your viewers only, for your sake. So there is no point in being not honest. So that is the reason. So let's see how much is the annual benchmark score, CPU and the GPU. Results will be there, and right now the temperatures from 34 increased to 37 degrees. Not bad. 37 degrees, as you can see, the temperatures are increasing little by little. So let's see what will happen with the results. So again I'll be back after some time to check the temperatures and the score. So right now we are getting close to 50%. Let's check the temperatures how much right now. It increases to 38.8 degrees, as you can see. 38.8 is the highest temperature recorded right now. 38, as you can see, friends. So I did upload a video on the how much free RAM is available in the iQOO 7 device. So make sure to check that video in case if you want to know how much RAM is actually available free in my unit, and you can compare with your phones as well. So right now it's 52. So let's see, friends, how much the annual benchmark score can be there this time after using close to 50 days of usage with the intense kind of usage. CPU and the GPU scores will be able to compare. So right now I think we are getting close to 90% as well. Let's check the temperatures. So highest I did see about 38.8 degrees during this time of testing. Not bad, 38.8 degrees. So as you can see, 36 degrees overall. So 38.8 degrees is the highest recorded temperature during this time of testing. So this will give you the clear idea, friends. So what is happening in my unit and with other unit as well. So right now it's 90%. So let's see what will happen with the final score. And right now the battery percentage is of 20% as well at this moment, as you can see here. So not bad. So right now the scores are completely finished, as you can see, friends. So right now the score we got about 6,85,000, as I said. So no, you don't need to worry about the score, overall score. So try to worry about only CPU and the GPU. Only these two things matters a lot. So I'm trying to say again and again. So the score will be definitely decreased from before. 7 lakhs before I used to get, even I was really happy, but now later I did understand that overall we need to see the CPU and the GPU scores only. Let me try to edit this one. I'll try to give it as a day 50 as well. So in this way we'll be able to save what kind of Antutu benchmark score we received at what kind of date, and we'll be able to compare with other phone, other times updates or any kind of, maybe after 100 days of usage, maybe after 75 days of usage with this phone. So now let me open the gallery and show you exactly the day 1 of doing the Antutu benchmark test. So this is a day 1, as you can see, day 1. And let's check with the right now Antutu benchmark score. In this way we will be able to compare before and now. Let's see the CPU. As you can see, from the CPU we got about 186 and now 195. As you can see, obviously there is an improvement. And the GPU 243 and now 242. As you can see, there is only 1000 differences, but nothing much major difference I can see actually here. Even after 3 software updates, even after using this kind of long time of usage, still the performance is kind of really good and stable. That is what the conclusion is, friends. I'll try to do another video as well, maybe on the CPU throttling test very soon, so make sure to stay tuned. So CPU throttling test 1 versus the test right now after the close to 50 days of usage. We can compare in this way as well, how is the CPU throttling is handling. That is another video which I'll try to upload maybe as soon as possible, maybe today as well. In case if you want me to do, I can definitely do that video. But let me just show you even the highest score so far I received. This is the highest score I received, 7,05,000, and you can compare with the highest score. The CPU 240 and the GPU 240 and the CPU 190, 195 and 242, even with the highest score. At that time the reason why it's highest, because the storage is not filled. That is the reason that we got the highest score. So now the storage is slightly filled and now the memory will decrease and overall score also will decrease, as you can see, friends. So now let me just show you exactly what is the RAM available out of 11 GB. Now as you can see, only 1.96 GB is used. That's fantastic, friends. So this is a quick comparison on this Antutu benchmark test on this iQOO 7 device after using kind of close to 50 days of usage. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Until then, bye.